Hello everyone, Brian here from Flow, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to register an ERC20 token with the Flow wallet. As always, the link to this tutorial is right below. Here on FlowScan, I've got a contract that we're using for a current tutorial called Click Token. This is a pretty simple ERC20 contract that anyone who wants can call the mint function and they get 1 NFT. This makes it perfect to put on a button clicker or similar app, and we also use it to demonstrate the power of batch transactions with cross VM apps on Flow. I'm about to update the app to work on mainnet because why not? Free gas, might as well do it on mainnet. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the Flow official assets repository. And again, you can find the link below. Open it up in your editor and create a new branch. I'm calling mine my name and then adding click token because that's the token we're adding. Since it's a new coin, we're going to want to open up tokens and then registry. And in here, you'll see all of the tokens that have been registered, and you'll need to copy the address of your token and add a folder for it here. Next, add either a 256 by 256 ping or an SVG for your token into the folder. Got a pretty radical one for this. Credit goes to our robotic friends for it. I didn't draw this. Looking through the already registered tokens, we can see some interesting things. Anyone recognize this? Back to work, the last optional task is to add a mods.json. In this, you can put token metadata for the symbol name and description for the final output of the token.json file. So here we've added our metadata. We've given our token a symbol, a name, and a description. To submit this, we just need to add a pull request. So we'll commit it and push it. Don't judge me, it's easier to copy and paste. And click the handy link as always to add a pull request. So in GitHub, we'll create the pull request and we have to wait for the checks to run. And having created our pull request, we can see that we've got an error. Helpfully, the repo adds these errors as comments, and we can see that it contains a disallowed file, clicktoken.png, and a missing logo file, logo.png. I forgot to rename it. Luckily, that's easy to change. We'll rename our radical logo file to logo.png and commit and push that. And now that we've renamed our file, we just need to commit and push our work. And we can see that we're now passing all of the checks. So all that's left to do is wait for the team to review and merge it. Once again, the written version of this tutorial is below. And as always, thanks for listening.